Hello! Today I would like to present you how to replace a blade inside your automatic knife in Brother Scan and Cut machine. We are going to be replacing just a blade, not entire knife. And for that model, the SDX, the latest generation, you need the DX version. And here I've got the replacement. It is a standard knife. Here you've got the model number that you can use for checking it online. First, my machine is power off, and we are going to be removing the knife assembly. So I will pull it like this, and now we are getting access to our automatic knife. As you can see, we do not have a rotating pressure adjustment. And here, if we push, you will be able to see our knife. First, we are going to be opening our knife by rotating it like this and going like that. And as you can see, we've got a spring. And here is our dual knife that we are going to be just grabbing and pulling. It is very nicely mounted by magnet, so if you slide it in, it will nicely catch and do not fall off. So we are grabbing it like this and discarding. Then we are going to be unboxing our brand new. So let me nicely open it. Yeah, this is a very nice unboxing. And here is our beauty. And it is presenting like this. Let me open our package. And here is our beauty. We are removing our protection. This is definition of a sharp knife. It is going to be going through cardboard like through a butter. And we are going to be nicely dropping it like this. The magnet catch it. We are grabbing our case. We are screwing it down. We are putting it back to our holder. And we are securing it. And basically our operation is done. And we make our device work like a brand new. We've got our brand new knife installed and I provide power. Now we are going to be running calibration. So first, let me power on our machine. And let's prepare our mat. I attach white cardboard on our mat. And we are going to be performing calibration. So we go into the settings. Then we are dropping down for calibration. Here we've got scanning cutting position adjustment. We go OK. We are preparing our mat. We hit reset, we hit OK. We are loading our mat. Just like that. And now it should perform our operation. It is going to be making cuts and then scanning them. And if the knife is sharp, we should get a perfect cross. So let's give it a moment. And as you can see, we've got our cuts in center. So looks like everything is correct. And basically we are done and good to go. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.